Yeah, hi, my name is Walid. I'm from Udrew. Let me kick this off with a question. Have any of you ever been exposed to the stress of home renovations before? Let me see some hands, please. Okay, thank you. It could be as simple as a driveway, a boundary fence, or constructing a patio. Any of these structures requires a council approval. My last council approval took 9 months, and this is exactly where Udrew was born. At Udrew, we are genuinely passionate about improving the communication between citizens and government. And our view of a smart city is very much about the ecosystem. It is about transforming the services for citizens. And it is enabled by data and technology, but it is not only about data and technology. So we do this on a micro level, and let me explain to you how. So the problem for local government, the building industry, and homeowners is exactly the same. It's very stressful, it's time-consuming, and very expensive. I'd like to take a closer look at the problems for the local government. It's a very lengthy process to do council approval. It involves multiple departments, and the financial impact also. Are we managing taxpayers' money to the best of our ability? And how do we store data? In our most recent pilot that we've done with One Council, it was quite interesting to see that it was really difficult to retrieve plans from a few years ago. And also, what insights do we get from those plans? So what's Udrew? Udrew is a web platform that allows anyone to be their own engineer, architect, surveyor, materials estimator, even if you don't have any technical knowledge. All building materials are calculated in real time and can be ordered with the click of a button. As you draw the design on our platform, it checks automatically against local and national building codes. And it works like a traffic light system where green is good and red's no good. If you tick all boxes, you receive an instant council approval. So the challenges I've earlier mentioned, they were the challenges we've seen with our pilot with the city of Wanneroo. And after applying the Udrew system, here's the outcome, here are the benefits of the Udrew system. And so 92% less manual checking time, 95% less resources being used, as in admin officers, council people that assess plans, planning department, and also the financial impact. So we sat down with the economics department and we've calculated how much money we can actually save them with the Udrew system. So we've established we can save that council over $300,000 per annum. And because of the ease of the system, of the Udrew system, it will encourage homeowners to submit more plans. So based on those calculations, we can generate an extra $1 million in revenue. The Udrew system also stores data very securely, and you can retrieve the data within seconds. And on our platform, we've built a smart city dashboard that creates great insights for local councils. This is just a snapshot of our cloud environment, and AWS provides us with a perfect platform that allows us to scale in real time as we grow. To give you an example, as we add new customers, new local councils, we can create regions within our cloud environment that allow us to itemize them really nicely and have a really structured architecture from the get-go, and that'll help all parties involved. I've created a 1-minute video that showcases the product of what it actually looks like, so I'm just going to play this for you. Welcome to Udrew. We automate building designs and the approval process from start to finish, in the matter of minutes, not months. Draw up your own building plans in real time, enabling anyone to be their own engineer, architect, surveyor, materials estimator, no matter what you experience. Your project is checked against local and national building code regulations as you draw it. And if the project is good to go, you receive instant engineering and local council approval, meaning you can start the project straight away without the lengthy and stressful wait. we can save you up to 70% in design fees and month of time. We'll also be able to save hundreds of thousands of dollars for your local government. Cool. So here's what our customers say. This is from our most recent pilot we've completed with the city of Wanneroo. It's Dr. Ian Martinez. He's the manager of the economics department. As one of the fastest growing LGAs in Australia and expecting significant population increases bringing strong residential and commercial demand, Udrew has provided the city of Wanneroo with the tools to help us transform our services for our residents through smart city technology and systems, creating a huge win for all parties in the equation. Now, local councils are obviously one part of our customers. Here's what our other customers say. So we've got also homeowners and builders. And I'm just going to touch base on Jeremy. He's a small local builder that we work with at the moment. And his average cost to build a boundary fence, to pay the engineer, to pay the draftsperson, to pay the council fee is $2,300. Udrew does this for $500 instantly. Great value for money. So what's smart city technology for us? And it's taken us 10 years to come up with a system because we've got engineering principles, architecture, surveying, drafting, and to combine all of these into one solution that serves all parties, it's been very complex. And we also not only just to put them in one solution, but then at the same time create a user interface that anyone can use. So, so this is what the end-to-end solution would look like. It all starts with the homeowner. He would like to submit a building plan, let's say for a driveway or a swimming pool or a patio. He can submit the plans directly through to the council or through the Udrew system. Once we receive the plans, we instantly approve them. AWS has a payment solution built with us, and all this data created will be fed into our smart city dashboard. As I've mentioned earlier, it creates a great insight for local councils, but also councils will be able to see, based on the data, to see new opportunities within their local area and what works and what doesn't work. So we've had 30 previously approved jobs, and we ran them through our system. And this is something we're extremely proud of. Our engineering has been 100%, our drafting has been 100%, and dynamic node labeling has been 100%. So this is my 6-year-old son, Mason. He's just completed his first fully engineered structure on our platform. It took him about 20 minutes. And yeah, just if he can do it, I think anyone can do it. Yeah, so this is smart city technology for us. And I think what I've just talked about is how smart city technology can improve the communication save money and time for local governments, homeowners, and the building industry. So if you'd like to support an Australian startup, I encourage you to get in touch. And if you know of someone, yeah, and that's pretty much about it. So I really appreciate any kind of feedback you have. Or yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much.